Alright guys, we're making baked steak today. I've got some cube steak here. We're going to bread it, brown it up in the iron skillet, put some gravy on it that we just made, the mix, and we'll show you how we do it, and then we'll cover it, stick it in that oven for about an hour, take the cover off, and let it bake a little bit more. I'll try this. We are browning it up in some lard, because that's what we like to use. I've got a plate here. We're going to put some flour in it. That's how we bread ours. That should be enough. And then we're going to put some pepper. Woo, we like pepper. And some paprika. And some onion powder going in. And some garlic powder going in. Got some salt. Mix that all up here. And guys, you use whatever spices you want. This is what we like. And cayenne too. We like it on chicken and stuff, but I don't know if I want to put that on some baked steak.
I would.
I know you would. I got lots of pepper in there. You can bread these in, you can dip them in milk if you want, or some egg. We're just going to put ours in the flour. It's getting hot. You just want a little bit of oil in there. Some of it up. So we're also going to salt and pepper our steaks. I already did the other side.
So you're just making enough for me?
Yeah. Right. All right. So we're going to put them down here. That one's yours. Put them in that flour.
You must still be dreaming, huh?
It's getting hot.
Like you, baby.
Yep, it's sizzling, so we're going to put these down in here. Like I said, you can roll them in egg or milk if you want, but this is fine for us. Got that on there a little bit.
That's one of my favorite meals. This and fried chicken.
And dumplings.
Chicken and dumplings. Oh, love them. Or homemade beef and noodles.
Yeah, see, he likes a lot of stuff.
I'm just a fan of food.
All right. We're going to let this brown up a little bit. We'll be back when we flip it, and then let you know what's going on from there. All right, guys. I have the cube steaks browned right here. I saved the juices from them right here. See all them little juicy bits? And now we're going to make some gravy. So we're doubling this because we're going to put it on here, and we've got mashed potatoes. So I have 4 tablespoons of butter in here, and I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of gravy mix, because remember I'm doubling. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Tootsie Pop?
3.
4. 1, 2, 3, So we're going to turn this on here and let this get all mixed up. And then we'll see what it tastes like. Billy wants some mushrooms in it, so I'm going to get this starting to thick up a little bit first. We're going to let this get heated up, and then we'll be right back. All right, guys, we've got it boiling, and it's thickened up, and it looks, we put the mushrooms in it, it looks like chicken gravy because there is no food coloring in it like you have in those packs. You look at the back of one of those packs, and the listings, ingredients are like this, written tiny. This one, there's not very many ingredients at all, so that's why it's not brown. So, let's taste it. Tastes like beef. Yum. Yum. This is going to be so good. Turn that off. So I've got my iron skillet here. I'm going to put a little bit of the gravy down in the bottom. Just a little bit. Then we'll put our steaks on here. There's Billy's little one.
She's such a dreamer.
Okay, and then we're going to put some more gravy on top. I'm going to save some of it for our mashed potatoes. So,
yes, please.
look at that. Yum. All right, I'll save that much.
That looks so good.
All right, I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil, and then we'll stick it in the oven at 350 degrees for an hour, and then we'll be back. All right, guys, here's the finished product. It was in the oven for an hour. See, I already dished them up. There's my plate. There's Billy's plate with the peas and carrots. I told him he had to eat them because those are the peas and carrot bag that he had on his face. So it's like, you gotta eat them now. So there's his peas and carrots, mashed potatoes, mushroom gravy out of the gravy that we made, and mashed potatoes and baked steak. So that's it, guys. We're getting ready to eat. Billy can't wait. He's like, oh, hurry up, let's get this done. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys.